Welcome to the latest edition of news at NWU, your window to what's making headlines at our Northwest University. They are already legends, they are South African icons, they are rugby royalty, and they will forever be part of the NWU family. On Monday, 24 February, the Siya Kolisi Residence in Potchefstroom was officially unveiled, and the Springbok captain was here in person to ensure that it embodies the spirit of leadership, resilience, and a touch of Springbok magic. His national coach, Dr Rassie Erasmus, was also in attendance to unveil the new Invictus residence, and later in the day, he delivered a guest lecture titled From the Sidelines to the Spotlight, Insights from a Back-to-Back World Cup winning coach. A team of researchers from the university has discovered that supplementing lamb feed with Vachelia camel thorn leaf meal and ammoniated maize stover significantly enhances growth performance, improves meat quality, and enriches fatty acid profiles. The study, published in the Meat Science Journal, was conducted by Dr. Gertrude Manakedi Chilopo and Prof. Upenyu Marume from the School of Agricultural Sciences. We sure won't look at camel thorns the same way again. The memory of the late Dr. Aziz Pahad lives on. On 25 February, the NWU's Mahikeng campus hosted the inaugural Provincial Memorial Lecture in his honor. The theme of the lecture was The Insurgent Diplomat, Lessons from the Life and Legacy of Aziz Pahad. And the event brought together government officials, academics, students and community members to reflect on his contributions to South Africa's liberation and foreign policy. Long may his remarkable legacy live on. Thank you for joining us for this edition of News at NWU. Join us again next time as we look at how the NWU is shaping our country's future. It all starts here.